So today, class, we'll be looking at making an audible tone when you've engaged a turn signal. And what I've done so far is just branch off of the positive and negative 12 volts going to this Tomberlin turn signal bulb here and spliced into it and run to the backup buzzer I have here in my hand. You see when the light is energized, so is the buzzer. Now we want to make this applicable to both sides. There's a problem with doing that though. If you try to wire each positive over here to this end, this is the negative from this bulb to make it easy, and the positive from this bulb. If I want to bring in the positive from the other side, I can't very well do that because it'll just bleed in to this side's turn signals and activate them as well. So what we're going to do is take one of these full wave bridge rectifiers. We're going to use that to bring in two of our positive signals to run to our positive post on the backup buzzer. And that should work because in this is 4 little diodes. And luckily this one's already marked. You got a negative, you got your positive here. We'll all be using the positive. The positive will be your output to the positive on your backup buzzer. The AC will be your inputs. That's the way the diodes are oriented. So if you take a signal, positive signal from this side, put it on the AC, positive signal from the other side to the other AC, you'll get the positive out without them bleeding into the alternative lights. So let's see how this works out. Go. All right, so let's see if I can simplify and break this down for you here. What I have is our 2 positive signals from each turn signal bulb. This green one right here is the positive for that side. This yellow one is the positive for this bulb. And to make it easier, I took the negative from this bulb as well and went ahead and ran it to the negative of our backup beeper here. And so both of our positive signals go to the AC reference on these full wave bridge rectifiers. And the positive output, there's a positive symbol, will be your positive signal for your backup buzzer. This way your signals do not bleed into one another and make it useless to run this kind of a backup. Of course you could just take 2 backup buzzers and wire them to each side, but I didn't feel like doing that and I felt like trying this out, so it's working perfectly fine. We'll take all that, we'll gob it up into a huge wad of duct tape, and then we'll gorilla glue it to the chassis somewhere and call it a day.